Hi students, today we're going to see about the kinetics of particles. We already know the basic definition of kinetics. Kinetics is the study of geometry of motion with reference to the cause of motion. Here the motion is caused due to the force and mass of an object. So we are dealing with force, mass and the motion of the objects here. Mass. What is meant by mass? It is the quantity of matter contained in a body. This quantity does not changes on account of the position occupied by the body. The force of attraction exerted by the earth on two different bodies with same mass will be in same manner. Mass is the property of body which measures its resistance to a change of motion. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, kg, whereas weight. Mass is different from weight. The gravitational force of attraction exerted by the earth on a body is known as weight of the body. The force exists whether the body is at rest or in motion. The SI unit weight is Newton. We used to denote it as capital N. In this concept, we are solving the problems based on Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion states that if an external unbalanced force acts on a body, the moment of the body changes. The rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force and takes place in the direction of the motion. Linear momentum of body is calculated as the product of mass into velocity of the body. Here let m be the mass of body, u be the initial velocity of the body, v be the final velocity of body, a be the constant acceleration, let t be time in seconds required to change the velocity from u to v. Rate of change of momentum. It is mv minus mu by t. M into v minus u by t. V minus u by t is equal to a. We already find for the value a. It is v minus u by t. So we get the equation as F is equal to ma. Let's solve some basic problems. Question is, a body of mass 7.5 kg is moving with a velocity of 1.2 meter per second. If a force of 15 Newton is applied on the body, determine its velocity after 2 seconds. We have to write down the given data. Mass of body is 7.5 kg. Velocity u value is given as 1.2 meter per second. The force is 15 Newton and time taken t is 2 seconds. We know that formula F is equal to ma. We have to calculate a here, so we let a is equal to F by m. The F value is 15, the m value is 7.5. By substituting the known value, we will get a as 2 meter per second square. They asked to determine the velocity after 2 seconds. The equation is v is equal to u plus at. We are substituting the known values here. 1.2 plus 2 into 2, that is 5.2 meter per second. The velocity after 2 seconds is 5.2 meter per second. Right. Another problem. A vehicle of mass 500 kg is moving with a velocity of 25 meter per second. A force of 200 Newton acts on it for 2 minutes. Find the velocity of vehicle when the force acts in the direction of motion, when the force acts in the opposite direction of the motion. Given data, mass of vehicle is given as 500 kg, initial velocity u value is 25 meter per second, force is given as 200 Newton, the time taken is 2 minutes, we are converting into seconds, 120 seconds. Step 1, velocity of vehicle when the force acts in the direction of motion. We know the equation F is equal to ma, so we have to calculate a, so therefore a is equal to F by m. Substituting the known values, a will be 0.4 meter per second square. Velocity of the vehicle after 120 seconds to be calculated, v is equal to u plus at. Let us take this as v1. Substituting the known values, v1 is equal to 73 meter per second. Velocity of the vehicle when the force acts in the opposite direction of the motion. Here the force acts in the opposite direction of the motion. We have to take a value as negative minus 0.4 meter per second square. Substituting the values here, we will get the velocity as 23 meter per second in negative. Minus sign indicates vehicle is moving in reverse direction, or we can take it as opposite to the direction which the vehicle was moving before. Another problem, a 50 kg block kept on the top of a 15-degree sloping surface is pushed down the plane with the initial velocity of 20 meter per second. If the kinetic friction mu k is equal to 0.4, determine the distance traveled by the block and the time it will take as it comes to the rest. For the given diagram, we have to draw the free body diagram first. We have already discussed more in detail about drawing the free body diagram. We have to write the given data also. The data which are given are mass 50 kg, initial velocity u is equal to 20 meter per second, kinetic friction mu k is equal to 0.4. Considering the free body diagram of 50 kg block, by Newton's second law of motion, sigma Fy is equal to m ay, mass into acceleration with respect to y direction. Ay is equal to 0. Since there is no acceleration action on vertical motion, from free body diagram, sigma Fy is equal to n, normal reaction moves upward direction, the weight of the object moves downward direction, so 50 into 9.81, 50 kg into 9.81 gravitational force, cos 15 is equal to 0. We will get the n value as 50 into 9.81 cos 15. Sigma Fx is equal to max. The sigma Fx equation is 50 into 9.81 sin 15 minus 0.4 into 50 into 9.81 cos 15 is 50a. We will get the a value as minus 1.25 meter per second square. Negative sign indicates that it is in retardation or deceleration. We have to take it as retardation. Velocity u is equal to 20 meter per second, a is equal to minus 1.25 meter per second square. We have find that. To find the time taken, we have to substitute in the equation v is equal to u plus at. V value as 0, the final velocity will be 0, the initial velocity is 20 meter per second and the retardation is minus 1.25. The time taken will be 16 seconds. Then we have to substitute the known value in the equation. S is equal to ut plus half at square, 20 into 16 plus half into minus 1.25 into 16 square. The S will be 160 meter. The results are acceleration minus 1.25 meter per second square, time taken 16 seconds, the distance is 160 meter. Next question. Two blocks, mass A be the mass 10 kg and B be the mass 28 kg are separated by 12 meter as shown in the figure. If the block starts moving, find the time t when the blocks collide. Assume the coefficient of friction mu as 0.25 for block A and the coefficient of friction for block B as 0.10. The diagram is given. You have to draw the free body diagram for the blocks. You have to consider two blocks separately and to draw the free body diagram. The angle is given as 30. Considering the free body diagram of block A, by Newton's second law of motion, sigma Fx is equal to max. For horizontal, the equation is 10 into 9.81 sin 30 minus 0.25 into 10 into 9.81 cos 30 is equal to ma is 10 into acceleration value. We will get the acceleration for block A as 2.781 meter per second square. Considering the free body diagram for block B, for horizontal motion, sigma Fx 29 into 9.81 sin 30 minus 0.1 into 28 into 9.81 cos 30 equal to 28b. We will get the AB value as 4.055 meter per second square. The motion of block A is S is equal to ut plus half at square. Ut value be 0. So the equation is d is equal to 1 by 2 acceleration of our block A into t square. That will be the equation 1. Similarly for block B, the distance is d plus 12 is equal to 1 by 2 acceleration for B into t square. When we solve the above two equations, we will get the t value as 4.34 seconds. Thank you.